Alam mong in demand ang isang product kapag hindi mo pa pinopromote pero meron ng bumibili. So hindi may himay ko yung features nitong Surgitech MY130 and it turns out marami pala siyang features that you will also find valuable. First of all, it's ultra quiet. Hindi ito tulad ng mga luma na may buzzing sound. This one operates at under 25 decibels. So pwede mo siyang gamitin kahit saan without bothering anyone. Perfect siya kung nagne-nebulize ka ng bata tuwing gabi para hindi siya magising. Next, it's rechargeable. Built-in na yung battery niya so you don't need to carry batteries around or a socket to make it work. Perfect for emergencies or kung on the go ka. Then you will also appreciate na meron siyang digital screen. Dito mo makikita kung ilang minutes pa ang natitira sa nebulizing session mo, kung malapit na maubos ang battery, kung malapit na maubos ang gamot, at kung anong mode ang gamit mo. Speaking of modes, meron itong child mode, adult mode, at self-cleaning mode. So regardless kung sino ang gagamit, may tamang mist output to choose from. Bonus na lang din na may self-cleaning mode siya that you can use para hindi magbara ang loob ng device. Especially kung lagi mo siyang ginagamit. Lastly, may kasama na siyang dalawang mask, isang pambata at isang pamatanda, isang mouthpiece, and a USB cord. Ang dami palang reason why people are choosing this even before I said anything. If you're curious too, you can check out the Surgitech MY130 dito sa Yellow Basket namin. Baka ito na yung backup nebulizer na hinahanap mo.